Alright, so an easy way to record your screen for your students, and it's free, you can also upgrade of course, is Cast-0-matic. To get to this, you're going to go down to the bottom into the type here to search bar, and you're going to type in screencast. You'll search it online, and it will come up with this screen right here. Once you click on Cast-0-matic, it will come up to this screen, and it says start recording for free, and you will click that. If you haven't downloaded it before, it will download into the lower left hand corner of your screen, and then you'll have to execute it. It's rather easy. Mine has already been downloaded, so it won't do that option. It's going to ask me if I want to load it. It's already open, obviously because I'm using it to show you. So I had to take a screenshot, and this is what it looks like when it comes up. It looks, hang on. It looks like this, and it asks you if you want to record. Since this is just a screenshot, you don't see this. This would be live, and it would be telling you how much your recorder or your microphone is being used. And if you want to use your screen, if you're going to record yourself through a webcam, or you could do both. What you do is you go ahead and record it, and then you stop it, and it's going to ask you where you want to save it and what you want to name it as, and you're going to have to point it to browse to a file and save your file. You can then upload that file to Google or anywhere you want. A lot of times I'll put it on YouTube. That works, and that's what I'm going to do with this one, because it gets a little bit too big to email to everyone. So the link works pretty well if you YouTube it. So I hope that helps you out to record your screens with. It's a free screen recorder, and it's worked well for me in the past.